Hello everybody, this is week 3 video review for project 3. This project was a lot harder. This is the one I had problems with the last couple rounds I was in this class. The main problem I got was just creating a story and creating a flow chart and getting the code and seeing how everything was supposed to be done. Made a mistake of throwing a lot of code in the JSON file, not having enough in the JSON file, and basically back and forth, just confused a lot of me. I had to redo the project like 3 times. Things I did discover that were easier: you can manipulate the storyline since we don't have a proper, or we don't have a specific flowchart to stick with. This does build on our previous projects, and it gives us freedom, being able to just create whatever flowchart we want and just work off of that, which was pretty nice. This will help out in the future as well when certain companies want a project done and they know they want certain features in it. They just don't know how to go about putting them into a storyline or a project. So I guess it kind of will work into that way one way or another by just creating everything from scratch and just knowing that you have to cover a couple points on it. The new questions for the week. The flowchart again. It was a little easier since we were able to go ahead and use it and change it around to the way we need to for the storyline. And again, it is harder since we do have a broader kind of requirement. Or less restraints, I guess you could say. And my story on this project wasn't the best. I actually started off with a pretty good story, and I had to simplify it a lot. The story I ended up with is basically transferring movies onto an external hard drive, a phone, for example. I figured that was best so I can use what I've gained in this class and use that knowledge to test things out, enter in information, enter in arrays, objects, and break it down and try to bounce back and forth within the function. Other than that, I'm looking forward to next week's assignment, and I hope to see everybody there.